Hello and welcome to our cooking show. Today we're making crepes.
First, you have to wash your hands.
All you need for the crepes is 50 grams of butter,
120 grams flour,
a little bit salt,
2 eggs,
and 3 deciliter of milk.
and something you want to have on the crepe.
First, you have to heat 50 grams of butter. And now you take a little bit of salt.
Now you have to take 2 eggs and put it into the boil.
Now we take 3 deciliter of milk. Now we mix the ingredients.
After a while, we put the butter into the boil.
And we have to mix it. Next step is to mix the dough with the hand mixer. Now the dough is finished. Then we're making the crepes.
Now we're going to put the crepe on the other side.
Okay, you film.
Noelle puts chocolate on the crepe.
And now we also take fruits on the crepe. Yummy. And now we fold the crepe. No. Finally, we add some powdered sugar and fruits. Wow! Now we take the Maschinenmixer.
Action!
Ich will mal aber neu filmen. Aber wir brauchen so ein Ding da, so ein Shit. Stop! We're making the crepes. Nein, Leo!
Now you can see a magic trick from Noelle.
Okay, guys, are you ready? Woo!
120 grams of flour and